Many people believe that when it comes to wood slabs for epoxy tables, a higher price tag directly translates to superior quality. They assume that expensive slabs are not only more durable, but also have better grain patterns, fewer defects, and are properly kiln dried to the ideal moisture level. In this video, we will dive into how to find high quality wood slabs for epoxy tables. One of the best places to find premium wood slabs is your local sawmill or lumber yard. Many of these places source wood directly from nearby forests, offering a variety of species, from walnut to maple to exotic hardwoods. Since they cut and dry the wood themselves, you can often find slabs that are properly kiln dried and free of defect. When visiting a sawmill, ask about their drying process. Air-dried slabs can take years to reach the right moisture content, while kiln-dried slabs are ready for use much sooner. Kiln drying also helps eliminate pests and prevent future movement in the wood. If you are looking for rare or high-figured wood, specialty wood retailers are a great option. These stores often carry unique slabs with slight edges, stunning grain patterns, and even highly sought-after bells. Some top retailers even let you browse online, making it easy to compare options before making a purchase. Many of these shops also offer surfacing services, meaning they can flatten and sand the slab for you, saving you hours of work. If you want a slab that is nearly ready for epoxy, this can be a game changer. The internet has made it easier than ever to find high quality wood slabs. Websites like woodslab.com, Gobi Walnut, and even Etsy have massive selections of live air slabs. You can filter by wood species, dimensions, and price to find exactly what you need. One key thing to check when buying online is shipping. Wood slabs are heavy and shipping costs can add up fast. Look for sellers who offer freight options or free delivery within a certain distance. Some online retailers also allows you to see the exact slabs you receive, so you know exactly what you are getting. Many high-quality slabs come from trees that were naturally felled due to storms, disease, or urban development. Tree removal services and arborists often have access to beautiful wood that would otherwise be discarded. If you are looking for a specific type of wood, contacting local arborists might lead to a rare find. Some companies even offer milling services, allowing you to turn a raw log into custom cut slabs. One of the biggest mistakes people make when choosing a wood slab is ignoring moisture content. Wood needs to be properly dried to prevent cracking, shrinking, or warping after you pour epoxy. The ideal moisture content for an epoxy table slab is around 6 to 8%. A moisture meter is a handy tool that lets you check this before buying. If the slab is too wet, it will need to dry for several months or even years before it is ready to use. The visual appeal of a wood slab comes down to its grain and figure. Some slabs have bold, swelling grain patterns, while others have straight, uniform lines. Highly figured wood like curly maple or sprouted walnut create stunning epoxy table that stand out. Knots, bells, and spouting add character to a slab, but they can also make the wood more challenging to work with. Make sure any defects are stable and won't weaken the final piece. For most epoxy tables, a slab thickness of at least 1.5 inches is ideal. Thicker slabs are more stable and allow for deeper epoxy pours if needed. If the slab is too thin, you risk warping or not having enough material to work with after flattening. When choosing dimensions, consider the final table size. A coffee table might require a slab around 24 inches wide, while a dining table might need 36 inches or more. Always measure your space before purchasing a slab to ensure the right fit. A warped slab can be a nightmare to work with. Even small amount of warping can make flattening difficult, leading to uneven epoxy pours. Before purchasing, place the slab on a flat surface and check for rocking. If one end lifts, it might need extensive planing. If you are buying a live air slab, check the back stability. Loose bags should be removed before pouring epoxy to ensure a clean finish. Before pouring epoxy, the slab needs to be perfectly flat. A router sled, drum sander, or lat planer can help achieve this. Some wood suppliers offer flattening services which can save time and effort. If you are doing it yourself, take multiple light passes instead of one deep cut. This prevents tear out and ensures a smooth even surface. Wood slabs often have cracks, voids, or knots that need to be filled before pouring epoxy. Using a thin layer of epoxy as a seal coat helps prevent bubbles from forming in the final pour. If the slab has deep cracks, using a thick epoxy will ensure stability. Blue tape or caulking can be used to dab off areas that might leak. Once the slab is flattened and sealed, sanding is the next step. Starting with 80 grade sandpaper and working up to 220 grade create a smooth surface for epoxy adhesion. Before pouring epoxy, clean the slabs thoroughly to remove dust and debris. A tack glove or compressed air works well for this. Any leftover dust can get trapped in the resin, creating imperfections. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing and sharing for others to also get it. See you in the next video.